What's up, everyone? This is Florida Man ABV here, and I'm working on my 23 Norden, and I'm putting running lights on. I thought this would be a little simpler than it has been, and I'm also going to be making these turn signals running lights in the front that came OEM LED. They're actually Kosos, I believe, is the brand of the LED, and that comes on the 23 Norden. I know everybody was complaining about the large blinkers that came on the 22, so I think this was Husqvarna's answer, and they're really bright. I really like them, so I'm going to keep them and try to make them into running lights. Let's see what happens.